Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can create and manage signatures for sending one-off emails in Command. So within Command, you have the ability to send one-off emails to your contacts without having to create a smart plan or an email campaign. You can send up to 500 contacts at a time. And we do have a tip video about that. Feel free to check that out on our YouTube channel as well. But today we're going to look at creating those signatures. So what we want to do is we want to navigate to our contacts applet within Command. So first we'll log into Command, which is agent.kw.com. And then we're going to go to the contacts applet, which is the second one down. It'll be the square with the person inside of it. We're going to click on that. And for the sake of creating a signature, you can select any contact. It does not matter. And then you're going to click that email address to show that, and then you click Command Email. It does have to be one that has a deliverable email, so hold on. Let's go with this one. It's new. We'll go with that one, and we'll say Command Email. And in there, you are going to see the option down at the bottom that says Signature. From there, we can click one of these that we have already created. We can manage signatures, and that will allow us to add a signature or edit the ones that we have here. So we can say we want to edit this one right here. We can just click edit, and then we can go in and change this however we want. We can add a sign off. We'll just say thank you. Then we can save it. And those changes will go into effect. It'll successfully update. Then we can also just add a signature. So you'll just click add signature. You can enter the name. It is a required field. We can change our font if we'd like. So we can go through, maybe we want to make it Times New Roman. We can change our font size if we'd like. We can make it bold, italic, underline. We can change our text color. We also can clear the formatting, insert emojis, or insert hyperlinks if we want. So we'll just say and then for an example, we're going to show you how to hyperlink. So we'll go do that hyperlink here. And we'll just say add link, and then we'll see that go there automatically. We can insert emojis, so we can go in and select ones that we'd like. And then we can click save, and we will see that right there. So that is how you would create and manage a signature. So once it's created, then you can add it to your email by just clicking the signature box here and then clicking that, and it will automatically be added to your email. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out.